Here we're going to review our 36-inch Thermador 5-burner cooktop. This unit is also going to have metal knobs. What's unique about the Thermador is their star pattern burners. This is an exclusive to Thermador. It's designed to give you even heat distribution to the inside as well as the outside of your pot or pan. And what's nice is if you select a Thermador cooktop with the XLO feature, the extra low feature, what'll happen is when you take that top to the extra low, it will cycle on and off at 300 and 350 BTUs. You will have a high 19,000 BTU burner in the center, which is that great burner for pan searing things, bringing things to a quicker boil. And then you have that low capability on two of the burners, this burner and the front left burner, which is a 9,000 BTU on high, and then it'll go to that low simmer. But this is a great top. We've been selling these Thermador tops for many years. Definitely one of our favorites.